Hi, and welcome! In this video, we're going to look at the first of the four main swimming styles, the backstroke. Typically, a very simple form of backstroke is taught first, which gets gradually refined over months and years as new exercises and techniques are introduced. We follow the same structured approach in this video. That's why this video is divided into 3 parts. First, we'll see a basic version of backstroke that can be taught to children as young as 5. Second, we'll move on to a more advanced form for older kids. Finally, we'll look at the professional techniques used by high-level competitive swimmers. Let's begin with the basic version. It's assumed that your child can already back kick comfortably. If you haven't seen that exercise yet, we recommend watching that video first. In the basic backstroke style, the child lies on its back, and most of the propulsion comes from the flutter kick. The arms move in an alternating circular pattern. Above the water, each arm is stretched out and the hand rotates outwards at the highest point. Underwater, the child tries to push water backwards, generating some arm-driven propulsion. At this early stage, the main drive still comes from the legs, and the more efficient arm pull will come with practice. 2 components are crucial for this basic form of back crawl. First, the correct body position. The child should look up at the ceiling, tilt the chin back, and push the hips up. All 3 of these details go hand in hand. Second, the flutter kick must be strong, even though children often forget about it while focusing on the arms. The kick comes from the hips and thighs, not from bending the knees. The child should aim to maintain this for at least 15 meters. Now, let's look at the more advanced form. Here, the early points are done perfectly. The gaze is at the ceiling, the hips stay at the surface, and there's a strong flutter kick from the thighs. Above the water, the arm is extended, and the hand rotates outwards at the highest point. Then it enters the water pinky first. Once underwater, the arm stroke has a pull and a push phase. As soon as the arm enters, the elbow bends. This so-called high elbow position is the most efficient way to move water backward. At a roughly shoulder height, the arm transitions to pushing water behind the body. In high-level backstroke, the shoulders rotate at least 45 degrees around the body's long axis with each pull. This reduces drag and allows more power from the upper body to transfer into the arms. Of course, in competitive swimming, everything else, leg kick, body position, and pull and push phase gets even more refined. Those are the most important aspects of the back crawl at each level. On swimy.org, we show you how to teach your child backstroke from the basic form to more advanced techniques. You'll find preparatory exercises for each step, plus common mistakes to avoid, and a structured 10-week plan. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.